How to add friends on Warface. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to add friends on Warface. Adding friends on Warface is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Warface and log in. Launch the game and log into your account if required. Navigate to the social or friends menu. Go to the main menu and look for the social friends or contact tab. Find the add friend option. Select the option to add friends. This is usually marked as add friend or represented by a plus icon. Search for your friend's username. Enter your friend's in-game username or ID in the search bar. Make sure the username is entered correctly. Send a friend request. Once you find the correct username, select it and click on add friend request. Your friend will receive a notification and must accept the friend request to be added to your friend list. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.